Yo guys, what is up? My name is Brian and welcome to Paradox Garage. Now you're probably asking yourself, who the am I? I'm Brian. I like to do cool in my car. I like to install crazy cams, make it super loud, piss off my neighbors, all types of fun things. Basically, this channel is just gonna be me doing all the things that I do. That could be installs, that could be going to car meets, that could be going to Mexico, or I could be reviewing people's cars. But overall, basically, it's just gonna be me doing everything that I would usually do, just with a camera. You guys get to see all my mistakes, all my failures, all my successes, all my wins. It's a great way to also keep documentation of what I do to my piece of shit. Speaking of my piece of shit, let's go take a look. Let's get back over in the shade. Alright guys, there you have it. I'm super excited to start this whole YouTube career and see where it takes me. I'm excited to hear back your guys' comments about anything with the video. If the video quality's bad, if the mic's bad, whatever, let me know, 'cause it's my first time. Hopefully you guys like the car and you want to see more. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.